Pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome back to English class. I hope you all are doing good and also you all completed the assignments and study portion that I have given in the last class. So today I'm going to give notes for poem 1. Okay. Before that, in the last class I shared about our country, shared some info about our country with you. So today I just want to continue. I want to give some more information. Okay. So the national song of our country is Vande Mataram, and the national anthem is Janagana Mana. Okay, our country is the seventh largest country in the world, and the motto of our country is Satyamava Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. Okay, truth alone triumphs. The president of our country is Ramnath Kovind. The vice president is Venkaiah Naidu, and the Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. Okay, just keep those things in your mind. So that's all for today. And now I want all of you to take your English note. If you are ready, let's get started.
Take a fresh page and start writing. Okay, take a fresh page and start writing. Poem. So first write today's date, 25 8 2021. Okay, now you can write poem 1. Poem. Poem 1. The next line, write the title of the poem. What's the title? The letter A. T-H-E, the L-E-T-T-E-R, letter A, capital A. Okay, so first write today's date and then write poem 1, title the letter A. Okay, okay. Now in the next line, write synonyms. Put Roman number 1. Roman number 1, synonyms. S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M-S. Synonyms. Number 1, acrobat. A-C-R-O-B-A-T. Acrobat, meaning rope walker. R-O-P-E, rope. W-A-L-K-E-R, rope walker. Number 2, astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut, meaning space traveler. S-P-A-C-E, space Traveller, space traveler. Number 3, antelope. A-N-T-E-L-O-P-E, antelope, meaning deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Number 4, apricot. A-P-R-I-C-O-T, apricot. Apricot, meaning a kind of fruit. A kind, K-I-N-D, kind. O-F of F-R-U-I-T, fruit. A kind of fruit. Number 5, artwork. A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K. A-A-R-D-V-A-R-K, artwork, meaning ant eater. A-N-T, ant. E-A-T-E-R, ant eater. Okay, have you all completed? Please write neatly, don't make any mistakes. Okay, so that's all. Now come to Roman number 2. So after synonyms we have only answer the following. Okay, there is no antonyms, verb form or frame sentence for the poem. We have only synonyms and answer the following. So Roman number 2, answer the following. A-N, yes. W-E-R, answer. T-H-E, the. FOLLOWING. Answer the following. Number 1. Let me read the question first. Which letter in the English alphabet is the speaker pricing? Come on, write down. WHICH. Which letter? LETTER. Letter INGTH in the English language. ENGLISH. English alphabet. ALPHABET. English alphabet. Yes, the speaker. 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 Pricing. PRAISING. Pricing. Let me read it for you. Which letter in the English alphabet is the speaker pricing? Now come to the next line. Write the answer. The speaker is, we all know about which letter the speaker is pricing. The speaker is pricing the letter G, right? Come on, write down. THC, the SPEAKER. Speaker. Yes. Pricing. PRAISING. Pricing. THE. The LETTER. Letter A. Write A in capital, okay? The speaker is pricing the letter A. Now come to question number 2. If you want, leave one line and write the second question. Do you agree? DOO. Do. YOU. Do you agree with WITH. With THE. The speaker. 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 Do you agree with the speaker that without the letter A, THET, that WITHOUT, without THE, the LETTER, letter A. Write A in single quote, okay? Do you agree with the speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, ALL, all, THESE, these, LISTED, listed, THINGS, all these listed things, places, 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 animals, 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 AND, and activities, 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 will, WILL, will disappear, 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 full stop. Give reasons, GIVE, give, sorry, GIVE, give reasons, or ASONS, question mark. Okay, let me read the question for you. Do you agree with the speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, places, animals, and activities will disappear? Give reasons. Now come to next line for the answer. So the answer is no, no, comma, I do not agree, I do not agree, AG or EE, agree with the speaker, WITH, with THE, the SPEAKER. I do not agree with the speaker that without, WITHOUT, without the letter A, THE, the LETTER, letter A, put A inside the quotes, okay? Letter A, all these listed things, ALL, all, THESE, these, Listed, listed things, places, 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 comma, animals, 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 and activities, activities, activities will disappear, 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 full stop. All of them, all of them would have perhaps existed, or HAPS, perhaps EXISTED, existed, comma, but WOULD, would have been called by, CALLED, called by different names, DIFFERENT, different, NAMES, full stop. So the poet is asking, do you agree with this? So the question is, do you agree with this speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, places, animals, and activities, which means all the animals, all the names started with the letter A will disappear? Give reason. If the letter A is not there, the words which started with the letter A will disappear or not. So the answer is it won't disappear. All the things will exist, but the names will be different. Okay, without the letter A, we can put different names. So that's what the answer is. No, I do not agree with the speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, places, animals, and activities will disappear. All of them would have perhaps existed, but would have been called by different names. Okay. Now come to question number 3. So if you want, you can leave online and then write question number 3. How old do you think, HOW, how old, 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 do you think, THINK, how old do you think the speaker, SPEAKE, or speaker is? Question mark. How old do you think the speaker is? Now, how do you know, DO, YOUKNOW? Again, question mark. How old do you think the speaker is? How do you know? The answer is the speaker is THE. The speaker is a young child, YOUNG, young, CHILD, full stop. The speaker is a young child. It can be understood, it can be understood, it can be understood, UNDERSTOOD. It can be understood from the innocence, FROM, from THE, the INNOCENCE, from the innocence of the speaker's voice, SPEAKE, or apostrophe, yes, speakers, VOICE, full stop. The speaker is a young child. It can be understood from the innocence of the speaker's voice. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. List few more important words. LIST, list. FUW, few more. Few more, MORE, few more, important, IMPORTANT, important words, WORDS, words that begin with, BEGIN, that begin with, WITH. List few more important words that begin with the letter A, LETTE, or letter A, that the speaker has missed to hear, that the speaker has missed, M-I-S-S-E-D, missed, had she or ye. List few more important words that begin with the letter A that the speaker has missed here. Let's write three words, okay? So the first one is animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, comma, algebra, A-L-G-E-B-R-A, algebra, comma, architect, A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect, etc. Okay, etc. Full stop. Animals, algebra, architect, etc. Have you all completed? Now come to Roman number 3. Roman number 3, memory poem, M-E-M-O-R-Y, memory, P-O-E-M, memory poem. So number 1, it starts from the letter A, T-H-E, the, L-E-T-T-E-O, the letter A. Okay, starts from the letter A and ends at would be unknown, would be unknown, UNKNOWN. Okay, so write the page number 2. It's in page number 34. First 10 lines. Okay, first 10 lines. Do I want to mention that? If you want, you can mention that. First 10 lines. Okay, the letter A starts from the letter A and ends it would be unknown. So it's in page number 34, the first 10 lines of the poem. Now come to Roman number 4. So the last one is assignments. ASSIGNMENTS, assignments. So the first one is already I gave in the last class I gave cursive writing, page number 10. Okay, now today's assignment is write a thank you note to two people from the list. It's in page number 35. Write a thank you note to two people from the list. Write a thank you note to two people from the list. It's in page number 35. Okay, so sorry, it's not 335, it's 35. Okay, so that's all for today. Now come on, I hope you all completed. Now I want to give a reading practice, so come to synonyms. The title is the letter A. Synonyms: acrobat meaning rope walker, acrobat meaning rope walker, astronaut meaning space traveler, astronaut meaning space traveler, antelope meaning deer, antelope meaning deer, apricot meaning a kind of fruit, apricot meaning a kind of fruit, aardvark meaning ant eater, aardvark meaning ant eater. Now answer the following. Which letter in the English alphabet is the speaker prizing? Which letter in the English alphabet is the speaker prizing? The speaker is prizing the letter A. The speaker is prizing the letter A. Number 2. Do you agree with the speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, places, animals, and activities will disappear? Give reasons. Do you agree with the speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, places, animals, and activities will disappear? Give reasons. No, I do not agree with the speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, places, animals, and activities will disappear. All of them would have perhaps existed but would have been called by different names. Let me read once again. No, I do not agree with the speaker that without the letter A, all these listed things, places, animals, and activities will disappear. All of them would have perhaps existed but would have been called by different names. Number 3. How old do you think the speaker is? How do you know? How old do you think the speaker is? How do you know? The speaker is a young child. It can be understood from the innocence of the speaker's voice. The speaker is a young child. It can be understood from the innocence of the speaker's voice. Number 4. List few more important words that begin with the letter A that the speaker has missed here. List few more important words that begin with the letter A that the speaker has missed here. Animals, algebra, architect, etc. Animals, algebra, architect, etc. Okay. So that's all. So today's study portion is synonyms and answer the following. Okay. And your assignment is in page number 35. Write a thank you note to two people from the list. So that's all for today. Until we meet again, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.